Right, welcome back to the channel. Just a short one today. Since the last episode where it fired up, thank you so much for all the comments I've had. It absolutely spectacular. But as always with this bike, I seem to be taking one step forward and two steps back. It is, in my time, actually quite late in the day. I've been out here for probably 4 or 5 hours. It just would not start. I took the exhaust off. I've re-put in brand new exhaust gaskets because obviously, if you remember in the last episode, it was blowing. Replaced some of the actual stud nuts. Put them all back in. It's tight. It's still blowing. I did get it to start very briefly, but it's still popping and blowing. But it has taken me so long to get this actually to start. It's hot at the moment, so I thought I'd whack camera on and just see if I can get a little bit done. I've pulled out the carb sync kit that I bought a long time ago, so I'm going to put that together in a second, hook it up and just give me a rough idea why it's hot. And as I say, I've had it running, it is warm, but it has taken so long to get it started again. As you may have noticed in the last episode, you saw an oil leak that actually seems to be coming from the generator side, so I need to look at that and find out where that's coming from. But like I say, just a short one, so we'll quickly hook up the carb sync kit. As I say, it's still in the box, I've never put it together. Hook that up very quickly and just have a quick play and see what I can do. Say when I did get it started, it doesn't last long. You have to turn the idling up quite high. Throttle response is just not there. Maybe it's a case of I may have to go back into timing, but let's have a look at this carb sync kit, put it together, hook it up and see what we can achieve. Like I say, I've had this kit some time. Everything's still in its boxes. Right, so 4 leads. Yeah, so everything literally is, I'll see, just screws on there, brand new. Like I said, the comments I got were absolutely phenomenal. You know, the support I had, I can't thank everybody enough. Right, so it seems pretty straightforward. Unscrew, screw to the back, hoses out of the bottom and into the carb rubbers. Right, let me get that put together. As I say, it is just it's not an expensive one. I think it's around 30 quid mark, but it is a while since I bought it, so I'll get them screwed together and we'll hook it up. May have to use a bungee cord. But yeah, it's been an absolute pig, it really has. Like I said, everything came out, new gaskets gone in, and yeah, when I eventually got it started, still blowing. Right, so put this together and then we'll see what we've got. Right, it's okay, it was me having a moment. Actually forgot to put the release valves in. Right, let's try again. Well, at least that gave me some indication. Obviously, cutting down the air, it seems to be balancing in that red zone, which actually reads late valve timing or lean at intake manifold. Because when it didn't matter how far I turned in or out, that never moved. So maybe my timing is too far advanced. I need to back it off slightly. But at least it was running a bit more, well, frequently than what it was this morning. As I say, I only left it for only a week, but nothing. But let me know if that's exactly right. So if it's floating in here, no matter where I put the air screw, it stays in that red area. Or as far as I'm aware, it should be there. But correct me if I'm wrong. Well, at least that gave me some indication of what's going on. So I can't really do the carbs. I think somebody actually said maybe it is something else that's causing the issue. The exhaust popping and blowing, I'll go back in and have another look, but that's, as I say, with brand new gaskets in there, everything is tight, it's still blowing, so could it be the exhaust that's at fault? Not sure. But I'll go back in, have a look at the points timing, check all that out again, probably have the rocker cover off, line it all back up and see if I'm out by any way. But according to that gauge, that's where my main problem is, so I can't get it into sync, because it doesn't matter what I do. I could say the air screws were at 2 1/4, but I turned them right into just under 1 1/2 and out to almost 3, and it didn't change. You saw that dial, it didn't change. But let me know in the comments box below if anybody's had similar experiences on it. You know, I always appreciate other people's feedback. It helps me. And, you know, and that's something that I can obviously show and then pass on to other people that may be in a similar situation. But yeah, like I say, you kind of take one step forward and then 2 steps backwards, but that is all part of it. You know, I've grown to expect it. But like I say, I'm going to crack on. Next episode, I've put something together aimed at, as I say, there's a lot of new subscribers that are joining the channel, and I hope you like the channel. Please stick around. There's a lot going on. Let's say lots of videos, lots of playlists. But I've actually done a video just to point you in the right direction of what videos are where, how it started, etc. Who I am, and basically what I get up to. So that'll be coming out in the next episode, but I'm going to keep working on the Z, do that behind the scenes, and I'll bring you back when I sort of get, hopefully, in a better situation. As always, there's links to other videos at the end of the video. I appreciate all your support. Keep liking, keep subscribing. Join me again in the next episode. Cheers. Bye.